most important question of probability. Let us see the question. Question is, on a vacation we now visit 4 cities A, B, C, D in a random order. What is the probability that she visit A before B? So we know probability of any event equal to what? Favorable outcome by total. So first you see what is the favorable outcome and total outcome. So here you know total number is 4. So total arrangement will be 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24. So total outcome is what? 24. And favorable outcome will be what? Just like A, B, C, D and A, B, D, C. In the same way we will make total 12. So our correct answer is favorable by total. So correct answer is what? 1 by 2. Let us see the question. Question is, on a vacation we now visit 4 cities A, B, C, D. In a random order, what is the probability that C with A before B and B before C? So we know probability of any event is what? Favorable outcome by total. So favorable outcome will be what? Just like A, B, C, D. In the same way you can write A, B, D, C. And you can write D, A, B, C. You can write D, A, B, C, or you can write A, D, B, C. So total number is 4. And total outcome is what? 4 numbers. So total arrangement is 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 1, that is 24. So correct answer is 4 by 24. 1 by 6 is right answer. Let us see the question. Question is, on a vacation Veena visit 4 cities A, B, C, D in a random order. What is the probability that she visit A first and B last? So we know probability of any event equal to what? Favorable outcome by total. So what is favorable? A first and B last. So favorable is A first and B last. So we have to maybe C, D and maybe A, D, C, B. So this is only 2 favorable outcome. And total outcome is how much? We have 4 cities. So 4 factorial, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. So our correct answer is 2 by 24, that is 1 by 12 is right answer. Let us see the question. On our vacation, we now visit 4 cities A, B, C, D in a random order. What is the probability that she visit A either first or second? So we know probability of any event equal to favorable outcome or total. So favorable outcome what? A either first or second. So A first. Then this is A, B, C, D. So this is fixed. So here 3 choice, 2 choice, 1. So total 6. In the same way, suppose this is B, A, C, D. This A is fixed in the second. So again 3 choice, 2 choice, 1. So 6. So total is what? 12. So favorable outcome is 12. And total outcome you know 4 factorial, that is 24. So 12 by 24 is 1 by 2 correct answer. Let us see the question. On our vacation we now visit 4 cities A, B, C, D in a random order. What is the probability that she visit A just before B? So for this type of question, probability of any event equal to what? Favorable outcome by total. So favorable is what? A just before B, that is A, B, C, D. So this is the fixed number. So this fixed number is 1 number. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 number can be arranged in 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is 6. And total outcome is what? 4 number, 4 factorial, that is 24. So correct answer is 6 by 24, that is 1 by 4 right answer. Let us see the question. Find probability that when a hand of 7 cards is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards, it contains all kings. So you know probability of any event equal to what? Favorable outcome by total. So here what is favorable? 7 card is drawn, but it contain all kings. So you know in 52 card total number of kings is what? So total number of kings is 4. So total 4 kings and there is a 7 card. So we need 3 more card. So 3 more card from where? 48. So favorable outcome will be 48C3 and total outcome is what? 52C7. So this is the correct answer. Let us see the question. Find probability that when a hand of 7 card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 card, it contains 3 keys. So probability of any event is what? Favorable outcome by total. Here favorable outcome is what? We need 7 card and it contains 3 keys. So total number of kings is how much? 4. So from 4 we need 3. So this is 4C3. Now number of card which is not king. So now 48. So 48 and we need 4 more. So this is 48C4 and total card is 52. So 52C7. This is the correct answer. Let us see the question. Find probability that when a hand of 7 card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 card, it contains at least 3 keys. So probability of any event equal to what? Favorable outcome by total. Favorable outcome is 7 card. It contains at least 3 keys. That means minimum 3 kings or maximum 4 kings. So answer is what? So there is a total 4 kings. So that is 4C3 multiply 48C4 and divided by 52C7. Or if there is a 4 king, then 4 king 4C4. So this is 4C4 into 48C3 and divided by 52C7. This is the correct answer.